Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream mushroom soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of your favorite mushrooms, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 4 cups of flavorful broth. Next, prepare your vegetables by slicing the mushrooms and mincing 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Then, we'll cook the mushrooms until they're beautifully golden brown, setting the stage for a truly delicious soup. To begin, you'll need 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, such as cremini or button, thinly sliced. For that luxurious creaminess, have 1/2 cup of heavy cream at the ready. We'll also use 4 cups of either chicken or vegetable broth to form the soup's base. Don't forget to mince 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are key to a flavorful foundation. Let's get cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, then sauté your minced onion and garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Next, add the sliced mushrooms and cook them until they're tender and slightly browned, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, then gradually whisk in the 4 cups of broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now for the final, delightful touch. Reduce the heat to low and gently stir in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream until it's beautifully combined and warmed through. Be sure not to boil it after adding the cream. Season your magnificent soup generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives, and serve your homemade cream mushroom soup warm. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.